Hi, I'm Richard Collier from Launch UK, and we're the people that bring you the DPF gun and DPF gun fluid that most of you will be familiar with. I want to talk to you today about one of our products because it's relevant to the motor industry at the moment. A lot of people are suffering with a lot of what we call post-combustion carbon. Now, post-combustion carbon builds up over the life cycle of the vehicle, and it can be quite a performance loss in comparison to how the car should run normally. I'll explain with this chart that we have here. Now, this is a simple diesel schematic, and what we're finding is almost all cars out there, or a lot of them, are suffering from contamination building up from here, the EGR valve, moving through the EGR cooler, which are common nowadays. Also the diesel turbo and petrol turbos can suffer. The diesel particulate filter, petrol particulate filter as well now, and this is what you call a diesel oxygenating catalyst, and this is the catalyst that heats the diesel. Now, what actually happens here is that over a period of time, the build-up of carbon can be quite dramatic in the engine, and this can ruin the performance. Now, we have a product, get it right, that will remove this carbon, and how it does that is by lowering the burn temperature of the required burn temperature of the gum and tar, which is sticking all the carbon particles together. The product that we use for this is called Turbo EGR Cat and DPF Cleaner. It's available from Launch UK. It's available from some garages. We're trying to get the message out there because obviously for us, we know that if this product is used, that lost performance, lost economy in the car can be restored. Also, it saves sometimes a very expensive build, an expensive part of the car, like the DPF or the EGR valve. Quite simply, this goes in the tank. Added to preferably between half and a full tank full of fuel, it will work through slowly. And how it works is by bringing down the burn temperature. Gum and tar generally burns at 600 degrees C, and it brings down the required burn temperature of the gum and tar to 400 degrees C, which is the general engine running temperature. That then removes the gum and tar, which is sticking all the carbon particles, which can then be released through the exhaust system and perforate out of the DPF, PPF, whatever, whether you've got diesel or petrol. The product itself has been tried and tested we know it works very, very well. We want people to try it. We want people to encourage their garages to use it, because realistically, prevention is better than cure with this particular product. And if you get it in there and you try it, usually there's quite a noticeable difference in the way the car performs or the vehicle performs after. So we have a range of products here that we've sold for many years now. Launch UK are specialists in this field, and we'd like you to have a go and try one of these if possible. They are available on our website, but if you are a garage, think about trying to use this in your servicing, because it will make a huge difference to the way the cars run, and it will save your customers expensive bills for things like DPF, EGR, which are commonplace, as we well know at the moment. Sticking diesel turbos, really commonplace. So if you are an individual and you want to try and use it, fantastic, an end user, but please, when you use it, if you do get the results that we think you will, then please let your garage know you'd like this used. And if you can do that, we can get the message out there and hopefully help a lot more vehicles to run a lot better in the future. Okay, thank you very much indeed for your time.